How to upload music to Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Spotify app and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find different options. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find your library. In there, turn on Show Local Files. After you turn on Show Local Files, click on Add or Source at the bottom. Now select from where you want to upload your music, then press on OK at the bottom. After you have done that, you will find a new playlist, Local Files on the left side. You can click on it and listen to the music that you uploaded. This is how to upload music to Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.